Madison, you had a quick question on the assignment, and so I wanted to point out a couple things. First off, first of all, I want to make sure that you go into syllabus and schedule and print out this course calendar because if I get the feeling you aren't looking at it, see what it looks like here. Um, and so this is really the backbone and of the whole course. It gives you each assignment and when it's due. And the green means that I've graded it or that it's past due. So I'm a little bit dated. I need to make these two a little darker because they're past due. So we're here on week 5. That's what we're at, and that's due um, Monday at 5 in Idaho time. So make sure you print this out, and you'll see down here that the final assignments, the final reflection, you post the link in the Weebly. So your question was, I'm looking at the Boxer. Okay, what is the signature assignment? If you go over to the Weebly and click on the gaming class, and then let's come down here to final reflection signature assignment. So this is going to walk you through all of the steps for the signature assignment, kind of step by step. And then here is an example, I think. Remember what that is. Let's take a look. It must be good. I wouldn't have included it. Okay, but it walks you through the whole thing. Let's see what I put on this. Oh, this was about embedding. This is embedding from Google Docs. That was. I wouldn't use Google Drive myself. I would use Box. It's easier. And I think that's what I suggest that you do in this instructions anyway. Okay, so that's your assignment. And then I wish I could see the grade book the way that you guys see it. I don't. I don't see it the way you do, but every assignment is in the grade book already, so you should be able to go to your My Grades and see everything that's due and what points are due. Okay, so I'm hoping that's helpful. Let me know what other questions I can answer. Bye.